I just bought this Sunnyglade Canopy. I actually bought 2 of them in a neutral color because I'm changing out the look of my patio. So I did this umbrella already, and it took me about, probably less than a minute. So now I'm going to change out this one, this dirty one, and I'll show you how I do it. See if I can put this here. Oops, sorry, thanks for working with me. This is my first time doing this kind of a video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off the old one. All you do is unscrew the top counterclockwise, and then off the bottom here, I hope you guys can see me. Off the bottom, all you do is pull these things right off, and there's enough wiggle room that they come off easy, but once they're on, they stay on really well. So this is the old one that can be put in the washer and given away so that nothing gets wasted. And the new one has a little hole in the top right there. I don't know if you can see that. See that hole? So I'm just going to put my finger in that hole and get to it that way, and then I put it on top. And the first thing I want to do is screw this thing back on to hold it in place as I work with the rest. So that's on, and then all I do is pull it down and feed it on to each of the ribs. Easy peasy. So you're going to be bored watching me do this, if anybody actually watches this. But you just go on, and actually I'm going to put this in the holder so that it's a little easier to put the ribs on. Sorry, I got to put it in the stand too. And for your patience with me, just one sec. I'm just setting this up for the spring so everything isn't in its proper location yet. Right? To the table and into the stand, and then keep going with the ribs. I had a little string like this on my last one too, if I'm even in the frame here. It's just a quick, easy way to change your color or get something fresh without spending a ton of money, because the frame is in perfect condition. And you can see, if you can't see it, I'll show you. But that's what the new one looks like. Super easy.
This is beautiful, nice and big. The color is vibrant.